Okay. Whoa, wait, I just started it.
You're going to kick it down on your knees. I'm just going to get closer.
Wait, those... I'm sitting like a little island of water, so I'm safe. Here, yeah. Here in Bedford, New Hampshire, with a live audience.
Of 3 people. 4 monkeys.
No, like 8 people. Jeez, don't you know how to count? Okay, this is a little bit. Oh, yeah, here we go. Here we go. Oh.
Smoking.
Oh no. Oh, poor guy.
Okay, I'm like scarred for life now. That is really sad.
No, but the boxes are full of non-used fire.
Oh, really?
No, don't touch it.
No, I don't think they were.
Yeah, they were. They came out of the package. Oh, there
Do you want to pour it out?
No, just let it. No, Derek, there's stuff inside of it, of like its limbs.
And there's still sparklers in those boxes. He used 2 new boxes.
Wait, does like the stuffing like not burn or something?
It's not supposed to, but we're creative.
David, want to get that flammable stuff right there on the ground?
No.
Wait, what flammable
That
stuff?
thing that we found on the road.
Oh, then get it.
No, you get it. Oh, get it.
Wait, what thing?
Oh, see, there goes the box. Yeah, see?
No, the boxes in the end.
No, the boxes have non-used sparklers. See?
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Whoa, now it's picking up. Again.
Throw it in.
Wow, that's going for a long time.
Oh, this thing? Oh.
David.
What the heck is
What was that?
It's like an
It's like
ornament
an
thing.
antibiotic lotion.
I don't think it's that
melting.
flammable. Just plastic.
Poor monkey. It looks like the Iron Giant.
No, the hands aren't burning.
It
Pour it out.
looks like the Iron Giant. The hands aren't burning. I'm going to put that in the fire.
Yeah.
I want to keep the hand out. I call the other hand. I want to put its hand out so I can have it. I want its foot.
Hey, I get the feet. No, I get this hand. Fine.
I get that foot.
I get this foot.
I want that foot.
Oh, here, quick, pour it out.
Hand.
Pour it out.